Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Oman, offering comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) services. With its expertise in the field of architectural design and construction, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted partner for clients looking to implement BIM in their projects. The company's commitment to excellence and innovation has made it a preferred choice for both national and international clients. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd provides a wide range of services that cater to the needs of various sectors including architecture, engineering, construction, and facility management. The company's team of highly skilled professionals possesses a deep understanding of BIM methodologies and technologies, enabling them to deliver accurate and efficient solutions to clients. From 3D modeling and clash detection to construction sequencing and facility management, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers end-to-end BIM services that streamline the entire project lifecycle. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd is its ability to leverage cutting-edge BIM software and tools. The company utilizes industry-leading software such as Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and BIM 360, ensuring that clients receive the highest quality deliverables. By harnessing the power of these advanced tools, Scon Design India Private Ltd is able to create detailed 3D models that enhance visualization, improve coordination among project stakeholders, and minimize errors during construction. Scon Design India Private Ltd also distinguishes itself through its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company takes a collaborative approach, working closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and goals. This ensures that the final deliverables align with the client's vision and meet their expectations. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Oman, specializing in providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a strong presence in the Indian market, Scon Design India Private Ltd has expanded its operations to Oman, catering to the growing demand for BIM services in the country. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, and construction documentation. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd is its team of highly skilled and experienced professionals. The company has a dedicated team of architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who are well-versed in the latest BIM technologies and industry best practices. This enables Scon Design India Private Ltd to deliver high-quality BIM services that meet the specific needs and requirements of its clients in Oman. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of collaboration and communication in the construction industry. With its BIM services, the company aims to improve coordination between different stakeholders involved in a construction project, including architects, engineers, contractors, and owners. By creating a centralized digital model of the project, Scon Design India Private Ltd ensures that all stakeholders have access to accurate and up-to-date information,